We are pleased to show you the 2020 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, rear step bumper, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.